Good noon, folks. Today we are going to see about how this natural language processing, the NLP in IR, the information retrieval. That's what we are going to see. So speaking about the first is the introduction to the natural language processing. It's a machine learning technology that helps computers the ability to integrate, manipulate, and comprehend human language. And examples you can see the Amazon's Alexa and Apple Siri. So what it does is the large volumes of voice and text from various communications like emails and things we have. So this NLP, what it does is it automatically processes this data, analyze and sentiment and the message response uh, to the human environment. And there are some pre-processing steps which has to be done in this NLP. The thing of tokenization, the stop code removal, the lemmatization and stemming, and the part of the speech tagging. Okay, so the tokenization, sensitive information and non-sensitive information, stop words which is not required, and some words could reduce the root, so that could be removed. That is called as lemmatization and part of speech tagging. And yes, there are some pre-processing steps. There are two main types. One is called as a rule-based system, and the other one is the machine learning-based system. The rule-based system, it's based on the linguistic rules, whereas the machine learning-based system, it's a kind of a statistical method, like using a combination of machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. And there are some techniques and methods of natural language processing. Some things which have been listed as important, like parsing, word segmentation, sentence breaking, morphological segmentation, and stemming. Parsing is a kind of a grammatical analysis of a sentence. Parsing, what it does, involves breaking the sentence into parts of speech. The word segmentation, like for example, a person writing a handwritten document, the algorithm will analyze the paper and page and recognize the words. So it's like sentence breaking or no morphological segmentation. It's like it's being divided into smaller parts with morphemes and stemming. It's like divides words with the inflection in them. So it's like yes, there are some techniques and methods of natural language processing. One is called as word sense disambiguation. The second one is named entity recognition, which is called as NER. And the last one is which is called as natural language generation, NLG. So it'll be a database. NLG, what it does, it will use a database to determine the semantics behind the words and generate new text. And yes, what is natural language? I mean, we have been saying about what is NLP, but where it is used? Yes, it is predominantly used in text classification, text extraction, machine translation, and natural language generation. So speaking about the text classification, it's a kind of assigned task to text to put into categories. And the text extraction, this function automatically summarizes the text. It will see the text and find the important piece of data. And third was machine translation. It translates from one language, probably example is from English to French. And natural language generation contains the unstructured data and automatically produce content based. So example is GPT-3. And there are some umbrella of problems which is comes out as the customer feedback analysis, which is a very big problem, and the customer service automation and automatic translation, automatic research and analysis, and automatic and analysis and categorization of healthcare records. All this forms a very important umbrella of problems. It's like yes, all this plays a very important thing. So these things all can be helped out. And yes, and still the plagiarism detection, the stock forecasting and insights of financial trading, and talent recruitment in human resources, automation of routine litigation, and spam detection. Yes, so all this kind of umbrella of problems, it's like when we are going for an LP, like it provides, it's like these are the things which can be used as a little bit of solution provider. So it's like, yes, copy leaks, plagiarism, stock forecasting, so predicting the market, talent recruitment, hiring people, automation of routine litigation, and spam detection. Yes, so these are the things which can be used considered as umbrella problems. And text mining, yes, text mining. There are these are the pre-process cleaning, stemming, tokenizing, tagging the parts of speech, and parsing the syntax. So these are the things with steps: cleaning, stemming, tokenizing, tagging the parts of speech, and parsing syntax. And the text mining methods, the word frequency, collocation, and concordance. Yes, identify the most frequent terms that commonly appears each other, and concordance used to recognize a particular context. Yes, these are the text mining methods and techniques: retrieval, extraction, summarization, categorization, cluster. And you could see the characteristics and the tools like intelligent miner, text finder, intelligent miner, caret rapid miner. So these are the methods and